UK Black Wolf.
Hello and welcome back to Cooking with the Wolf, episode 3. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a cup of tea. Also, I'll be looking back in those archives at the first cooking video that I did before Cooking with the Wolf. So let's have a look at how I made that cup of tea. Okay, here we are making a cup of tea, my normal cup of tea. First thing you do is obviously turn the kettle on, and this is a stein, as I like using a stein, so it's a quite big cup. So I use 4 sweeteners, as it's basically the size of 2 cups. And as it's the size of 2 cups, I have 2 tea bags in this one. If it's a normal size cup and I'm making a normal size drink, then I would have 2 sweeteners and 1 tea bag. But in this case, as I have a stein, I'll have 2 tea bags and 4 sweeteners. So you just wait for the kettle to boil, and then you just add the water into the cup and the milk. And you're more or less done. Guessing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1.5, 1.1, 1.0, 1, 0.5, 0. There you go. Countdown almost close. Power's off. There you go. Okay, that's done. Finish. Just pour the water into the cup like so, to however high you like it really. I do it this much because I don't have much milk left, so I would add more milk normally, but that's all I got. So then you just do that, pick that up, use the tea bag squeezer, just put 1 in the bin. It's hot. And the other one. And there you go, a cup of tea. Wow, that felt like that kettle would never boil. Well, it still made a good cup of tea. Anyway, up next is an archive video from one of the first videos that I did. I did this with my dad, so it was one of the first videos. This one was for a dog's cake for Scruffy's birthday. So, let's have a look at this video. Let's see how we did.
Today we're making the dog's birthday cake. Same as an ordinary cake basically, but without the bits in there that would do the dog harm. So there's no sugar, no butter, but it's made with a similar sort of mixture.
Wow, that one brings back memories. Anyway, thank you for watching Cooking with Wolf episode 3 today. If you liked that one as much as I did, let me know by clicking that like button. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to see more content just like this. You never know, maybe even better. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.